Do you have a feeling like this when you see the person who is more excellent than you still working hard? This will enable you to cultivate a huge strength, which means you will put all your efforts into what you feel like achieving. Maybe this is called motivation. If you have this and you can't do it well, maybe you need to judge the quality and depth of your motivation. This is quite important. You should be aware of it's never too late to learn. If you're feeling that you have a lack of concentration, go for a run. If you're uninspired, explore from reading. If you're burned out, be exposed to nature. If you're tired, go for a walk. If you're feeling lonely, phone a friend or your parents. Each choice you make that reflects your hopes. The quality of your life depends on your decisions.